In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Seeking Alpha. Whether you're wrapping up your research session or using a shared device, logging out is a quick way to keep your account secure. First, open your preferred web browser and go to seekingalpha.com. Make sure you're already logged in. A simple way to confirm is to glance at the top right corner of the page. If you see a small profile image, your initials, or a generic avatar icon, you're signed in. If you instead see options to sign in or create an account, go ahead and sign in first so you can access the account menu. Next, move your cursor to that profile icon in the top right corner. Give it a click. This will open a small drop-down menu. Depending on the page you're on, the menu might take a second to appear, so don't worry if there's a brief delay. If you don't immediately see the icon, try scrolling to the very top of the page or maximizing your browser window. On narrower screens, page headers can be condensed and the profile area might be tucked behind a menu. Once the drop-down is visible, look for the option labeled Sign Out or Log Out. The wording can vary slightly, but they do the same thing. It's usually located toward the bottom of that menu. Click it, and that's it. You're signed out. After you click, the site may redirect you to the home page or show a sign-in screen. To double-check that the sign-out worked, look again at the top right corner. You should no longer see the profile icon. Instead, you'll see a prompt to sign in. If the page still looks logged in, give it a quick refresh to update your session. A couple of quick tips for peace of mind. If you are browsing on a public or shared computer, close the browser tab after signing out. If your browser offers to save passwords and you're on a shared device, consider declining that prompt or removing any saved credentials later in your browser settings. And if multiple tabs of Seeking Alpha were open, refresh those tabs as well to make sure they reflect the signed-out state. That's all there is to it. A quick click on your profile, choose Sign Out, and your account is safely closed for the day. If you prefer extra confirmation, try opening a page that normally requires an account. You should be asked to sign in again, confirming you're fully logged out. Thanks for watching.